We also have our great RDKS systems. It's Reifendruckkontrollsystem in German, or you would call it a tire pressure management system. These are amazing, small, tiny Bluetooth sensors which you can directly connect to the wheel of your bike. And I will do this in this video and show you how easy it is to install the product. So we unpack it fresh from the manufacturing. Oh, strong. So it's open. Throw this away. Open it. Open it this way. You have a small installation manual you find here. And this is what it's all about. It's about these small, tiny sensors, which are maybe the lightest Bluetooth sensors you will find on the market, which are powered with an internal battery. Of course, you get 2 of them, and you get a lot of accessories to this product, which you will find in the small black box. If you open this, so everything is empty, we put this aside. Let's start with these. It's heavenly packed. Let's start with these metal welds. So if you have a motorcycle with plastic welds or with a valve which is like this shape, you can change these valves against these valves. You can just screw them into your bike and then you're happy. You get 2 of them. Also, you don't want those devices to be stolen. So if you screw it on your valve, then definitely you don't want them to be stolen. That's why we've put in 4 pieces which you can screw on the valve, and you can scroll it back so it's locked. You cannot undo this. For this, you get 2 locking or mounting tools, which look like this. You put them here inside, and that's how it goes. So if you want to do it, you have to put it here inside and then mount it to your tire. So, but this is just one part. So what you get is you get 4. One is under the table, so I get this later. You get something that you, some metal bracelet that you can take this with you and put it on your key. So you get all these cool things if you buy the tire pressure management system, which you can have as an add-on to the Kickstarting campaign. We already sell these devices. They are great, and you get a very good price on the Kickstarter campaign. But I show you now how easy it is to install those. For this, I do again a screen recording, and I put them on the tire on the BMW. I will just, before I do it, because it should be a one-shot scene, what we will do, we will start the camera so I can show you how easily these things are mounted. So, first of all, you unscrew this here. You see here the sensor. You pull this, and now the battery is connected to the sensor and the sensor is active. So let's go to the front tire of the bicycle. And where's the valve? Where is the... Jesus. Of course, it's on the other side. So So I don't know if you can see it good, but I mount it here. So that's all you need to do. You just mount it here. Now it's on the tire. And that's basically what you need to do. And now we start the screen recording of the app. So you can see easily how I connect the Bluetooth TPMS sensors with the app, and it just takes 1 or 2 seconds, and then you see all the data like the bars and the temperature of the tire. And you can also easily configure thresholds. I show you this in a second when I'm sitting. So just easy installation. On the start screen you see updated the data, so you have it already there. So if we go back now and a short anti-theft message, we go to the settings, and there you can set bars, PSI and everything. So nice and easy product, works fine, great. Thank you for your time watching this.